Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 14th, 2025, and we're diving into Veritone's recently released earnings report for the fourth quarter and full fiscal year 2024. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Veritone, a leader in AI solutions, has just released their earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from their revenue performance to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Veritone reported a fourth quarter revenue of $22.4 million, which is a 17% decrease compared to the same quarter last year. For the full fiscal year 2024, revenue was $92.6 million. John, what are your thoughts on these figures?
While the revenue decline is notable, it's important to consider the context. The decrease was largely driven by lower consumption across their commercial enterprise customer base, including Amazon. Despite this, Veritone managed to maintain a GAAP gross margin of 68.1% in Q4, which, although down from 73.5% last year, still reflects their ability to manage costs effectively.
And what about their profitability?
Veritone reported a net loss of $37.4 million for the fiscal year 2024, which is an improvement from the $58.6 million loss in 2023. This improvement is partly due to better operational efficiencies and cost management.
Strategic initiatives and divestitures. Veritone has been active on the strategic front, including the divestiture of Veritone One. Can you elaborate on these moves?
Absolutely. Veritone completed the divestiture of their media agency, Veritone One, for up to $104 million. This move is part of their strategy to focus more on their core AI solutions. Additionally, they raised $20.3 million through a common stock offering and have a $35 million ATM facility, which provides them with financial flexibility.
And how is their public sector strategy shaping up?
Veritone is entering 2025 with strong momentum in the public sector, particularly with their Veritone Data Refinery offering. They are actively deploying AI solutions in multiple Department of Defense environments, which is a significant growth area for them.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Let's talk about earnings per share. Analysts were forecasting an EPS of 27 cents, but Veritone reported an actual EPS of 55 cents. What does this mean for the company?
This is a significant miss compared to the forecast. The discrepancy highlights the challenges Veritone faces in aligning their operational performance with market expectations. The miss could be attributed to the revenue decline and the costs associated with their strategic initiatives.
With only one analyst covering the stock, how does this affect investor sentiment?
With limited analyst coverage, the market may react more sensitively to earnings surprises. This miss could lead to increased volatility in the stock price as investors reassess their positions.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Despite the challenges, Veritone has made strides in improving operational efficiencies. Can you tell us more about this?
Yes, Veritone improved their operating loss by $12.8 million year over year, thanks to cost-cutting measures and a more streamlined expense structure. Looking ahead, they are projecting a revenue range of $107 million to $122 million for 2025, which suggests a potential 23.7% increase at the midpoint.
And what about their outlook for the public sector?
The public sector is poised for a breakout year. Veritone's AI solutions are gaining traction, particularly with government agencies, which could drive significant growth in 2025.
Key takeaways. In summary, Veritone's 2024 performance was mixed, with revenue declines but improved operational efficiencies. Looking forward, their focus on AI solutions and public sector growth presents promising opportunities. Thank you, John, for your insights.
Thank you for having me. Veritone's strategic initiatives and focus on AI could position them well for future growth, despite the current challenges.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Veritone's performance in the comments below.